Guys, so today I was just roaming around when I got bored in this game, so I exited. Then after a few minutes of watching YouTube, I got this video short where this guy tried out this car, all maxed out, and the most fastest car in the game. That's $37 million car, and all maxed out. So he raced it, and somehow this thing won. This thing is like the half, not even half of the price of it. Like 10 times lower. And it's said to defeat even some other cars. But I think he just didn't press the accelerator for the $37 million car. But I swear this thing could defeat any car. Oh, so it seems that there's a little NASCAR. Let me ask him if I can race it. Where the heck is... Oh, never mind. If I was driving my GTR, it would take so long to reach here. But this thing only took a second, and you saw it reached 600 miles per hour. That means instead of wasting time getting $37 million just to get one fast car, you could just buy this thing, max it out, and then you can go up to 600 miles per hour. So what's the point? Just because of the price tag, that doesn't mean it's always fast. I think he might be true. He's up to something sus. Or maybe he might be hacking or something. Because if he's not hacking, that means, yeah, that's true. This is insane.